Hello guys, what's up? We are back again with another question from our DS challenge series. So let's get started. So guys, today our question is hand of straights. In this question comes under our priority queue section. But this question is very much easily solved by using very much intuitively and more easily solved, although priority queue can be used on the similar lines, but this is more easily solved using map and sorting. So here we go with the solution. Now before going into the solution, let's understand the question first. So in this question we are given an array known as hand and a integer known as group size, and we need to group elements of group size of the given number in such a way that in every group there consist of integers which are consequent. There consist of consequent integers of size group size. So we need to make sure that. So how are we gonna do this? So first of all, what we can do is we can sort the array. Now if we sort the array, we know that. Okay, so first we will sort the array, then we can beforehand also check. First we will check whether the group size is divisible by n or not. If it is not, then there is no point, we will directly return false. That is n percentage group size, where n is the size of the array, should be equals to 0. Now we will create an unordered map and we will map the elements from 1. We will map all the elements so that we have their frequencies. Now we will loop through the array. We will consider a element one by one. So we will consider the starting of the element one by one. Okay, so first we considered hand of I, that is 0th element, and we will decrement it counter as we have already considered. Now we will have another loop for considering other elements which will be in the group, and consider we will check if hand of j equals to the considered element plus 1, and of course it should not be in the map. It should be in the map. It's greater than, its frequency should be greater than 0. Then we will decrement its frequency, increase, we will keep a counter variable, increase a counter variable, and increase the consider value. If we found it, then we will move again, and once the count becomes equals to group size, we will break it and come out. Now if the loop is over because this statement is executed, then that means it is a valid pair, we can move forward. But if it is not, then we can directly return a false. As for that particular element, we cannot form a group such that there are a group size number of consecutive elements. So we will return a false here. At last, we will return a true. So yeah, guys, this was all from this question. So let me quickly summarize it. What we did, we first sorted the array, then we created a map and of all the elements. Now we traversed the array, and then we saw for each and every element whether we can form a group of 3 or not by taking account their frequencies, and if the corresponding plus 1 element is there or not. Okay, we keep on decrementing their frequencies as well, as they're already taken, so we don't want redundancy. Okay, so yeah, guys, this was all from this question. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. Just in case you liked the video, you liked the question, make sure you hit the like button, press the subscribe button, and share it with your friends. Thank you so much, guys. We shall see you next